getting users and growing organically with SEO is extremely hard, but it's now become incredibly easy with Cloud Code and different SEO skills. So if you're struggling with getting traffic to your blog, or you're interested in building AI agents, then I'm pretty sure you'll find this video helpful, as I'll be sharing how I actually use SEO agents to analyze data, output actionable items for my data engineering blog, and it grows it completely organically. And I have this data engineering website. I started it probably 9 months ago. At the beginning, it was mostly manual, but so I think probably at the beginning of March, I actually started using Cloud skills and SEO skills, and the organic growth has been insane. So if you look here, last 30 days, 980 visitors. Now the workflow actually works like this. So you've got the orchestrator, and orchestrator has access to quite a lot of skills, SEO skills, and the orchestrator, an SEO agent, has as a North Star to get me as much organic traffic, high quality traffic that stays on my website for a long time. And it's actually going to kick off the whole thing with gathering evidence. So agents are actually going to get evidence. It's going to actually look at what we already did, as that's really important. Then it's actually going to get new evidence, and new evidence means data. It's actually going to pull all of the user data from Google Analytics 4, Search Console, and Cloudflare, as well as Microsoft Clarity, and it's going to analyze all of that data. It's going to ask some forward questions, meaning how do we actually get more organic users based on this data, and it's actually going to create a few theses on how it's actually going to do that. And here in the next one is basically the analyzing and creating actionable tasks. So it's going to decide based on all of that context, what are the best actionable tasks to do. And we also run experiments where it tries different things and then figures out, all right, this is actually the better path to take. And the output at the end are these tasks that get sent to other agents. So here's an example of the actionable tasks that get sent to other agents. Here it noticed that some posts are actually declining in search ranking. And it says, all right, you have to refresh these pages, maybe with new content, new keywords. And it will actually delegate that to another skill, an agent. Gives me more suggestions. And the reason why it works is the first set of agents actually reads before it thinks. So it looks at everything that we already did, all of the knowledge that we already have, because the only way that it can actually become better is because by iterating on everything and always improving. It takes the prior analysis again, so that we don't do stuff that we already did. So don't really want to write blog posts that we already wrote last week. And then get out. The answer ends in a command. So all of this actionable input or actionable output gets ranked and then delegated to agents. Hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions, ask them down below.